How you going, guys? Curtis from Cutting Edge Engineering. Today's job, we have a 785 outer hoist rod to try and salvage. And what I mean by salvage, we need to try and rescue this tube. The tube's worth about 15 grand, so well and properly worth the exercise to try and save it. So this is a hollow chrome tube. This is the first stage of a 785 dump truck hoist cylinder. So on the truck there are two hoist cylinders. They're both used for lifting and lowering the bin for the truck. Customers stripped it off the machine to do a general repair on the seal kits in the cylinder. So as they've tried to remove the gland that holds in the next stage of the cylinder, it's actually bound up. It's pretty common with these sort of things, and the style of thread they do use a buttress thread. Since the gland has locked up in the barrel, it was best to just leave it there. Don't try and screw it back into where it was, and don't try and take it out anymore. What the plan is now, we'll put it in the machine. We're going to take a boring bar. I'm going to start to machine the inside of the gland out. So we're pretty much just going to turn it all into swarf. Hopefully after we do that, we'll then be able to salvage the thread that's inside. The customer has supplied a brand new gland or head that we can test fit into it. Right, so one of the things that could have helped with the cause of this thing locking up would be moisture buildup. So these cylinders are actually upside down on the truck. They're not in a standard configuration. Even though they are upside down, there is a gap around the gland that can actually allow moisture and dirt and stuff like that in. So if anything did get in there, it would have created rust, which then would have caused everything to start to expand, and that's probably the reason why it all locked up. But we won't know exactly what happened until we start to get it apart. So we're going to set it up in the machine and start machining it out. Oh, that's why I did that. Tracking device on it. Well, that's pretty gnarly. Hides it there. Not for a scratch. It's pretty deep. Righto guys, so it's set up in the machine now. We've got it running on the steady. You'll notice there is a ticking noise as it's actually running in the machine. We have discovered a nice big scratch in the chrome. So being that scratch is as deep as it is, I'm not too concerned now about damaging the chrome because the customer's going to send this one out to get it re-chromed. So I was unaware of that. But after talking with them, it will be re-chromed, so I'm not too concerned about the chrome work now. So we do end up peeling a bit of that up with the steady, which does happen because there is a bit of damage there. Yeah, so now I'm not worried about it. Let's get on to machining the inside out. Short of that boring, but it doesn't need to be that long. It's a bit double. Hundy's a good one. $38 million to come out. Righto guys, so I've chucked a dial on the end of this barrel just to show you how out of, well, deformed it is from the thread picking up. About a 0.2 of a mil run out there. So it'll be interesting to see after we get deeper into this gland whether that shrinks back down and has minimal run out or it stays like that. sand is now compressing and the barrel's gone back to somewhat of a round shape. Yep, it's through that bit. Point 0.8 of a mil. That's all dust and dirt. That's what we're looking for. It's very hot. One bit. That shit out now. There's the problem. There's something under there. Chase some of them. That's where it all started.
What you got?
Righto guys, so we have successfully removed the gland. There is a little bit of damage on the internal threads, so we are going to attempt to chase that thread down. We've got a bit of rust we need to clean out and a little bit of the area of the barrel that's actually missing thread. So what we'll do is we'll set the boring bar up, we'll time everything back in, and we'll take a few very, very minute cuts to try and clean up all the surfaces so the new gland fits without any problems or interference. Righto, so those of you who don't know what a buttress thread is, your standard 55-degree thread looks like that. Well, a buttress thread is 90 degrees on the back and then it rakes forward. Righto guys, so we've cleaned up the barrel, the gland does fit. You'll see a lot of the damage inside there in the threads is caused from rust. One of the things that could have been done from the manufacturing and design stage was a C-section O-ring or some similar something put around this ridge around here, maybe one in here, maybe one on the face. There are many different things that you could have done in the design stage to eliminate such problems as this, knowing full well moisture gets everywhere. So steady then. Right. Ready? As they were undoing the end gland that holds in the second stage, second or third? Fuck. I can't remember. The customers brought it in. Oh, it's hard to explain. So on the hoist, yep. On the truck there are 2 hoist cylinders. They're both used for lifting and lowering the bin for the truck. Yep. After we, bit of an oversight, but gives me something to do. Ready?
You've got all dirt on your face.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Like all there.
What is it?
It's just all grease and dirt.
Really? How bad is it?
Pretty noticeable.
Don't worry about it.
Just wipe it off.
It doesn't wipe off, it just smears.
Beautiful.
Fuck.
Shut up, hose.
That sounds terrible.
Yeah, that's gonna get annoying.
It's fucking sizable, whatever it is. Fucking shit. Oh, it's very fucking hot. Ow, ow, ow. Bit of shit in there. It's fucking inside already. There's a bit of shit that was stuck in there that I couldn't get out. Hold on to your tits. Dear. Put a little.
Pallet there, eh? He's a special dog.